Hello everyone, welcome to Drishti Judiciary's Law MCQs program. First question is, maximum imprisonment under section 329(4) of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023 is 6 months, 1 year, 2 years or 3 years. The correct answer is option B, 1 year. Recently, the Supreme Court in Sonu Chaudhary versus State of NCT Delhi set aside the conviction under section 452 of the IPC, ruling that a restaurant does not qualify as a house under section 442, essential for a charge of house trespass. Section 329(4) of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, which corresponds to section 448 of the IPC, outlines the punishment for house trespass, which may include imprisonment of up to 1 year, a fine up to 5,000 rupees or both. Next question. Who has the authority to order payment pending appeal under section 148 of the NIA Act? Supreme Court, Trial Court, Appellate Court or High Court? The correct answer is option C, Appellate Court. Recently, in the case of Asha Devi versus Narayan Keer and another, the Rajasthan High Court held that condition of pre-deposit under section 148 of Negotiable Instruments Act 1881 is not mandatory in nature. The Appellate Court is empowered under section 148 of the Negotiable Instruments Act to order payment while an appeal against conviction is pending. Next question. Which of the following sections of the Specific Relief Act 1963 deal with the recovery of specific immovable property? Section 5, Section 7, Section 1 or Section 2? The correct answer is option A, Section 5. Section 5 of the Specific Relief Act 1963 deals with the recovery of specific immovable property. It states that a person entitled to the possession of specific immovable property may recover it in the manner provided by the Code of Civil Procedure 1908. Next question. Section 168 of Bharatiya Sakshi Adhiniyam 2023 was previously covered under dash of Indian Evidence Act. Section 165, Section 124, Section 138 or Section 120. The correct answer is option A, Section 165. Section 168 of the Bharatiya Sakshi Adhiniyam 2023 was earlier covered under Section 165 of the Indian Evidence Act 1872, which also dealt with the judge's power to put questions and order production. Last question. In a suit against the central government, the authority to be named as defendant is the President, the Prime Minister, the Minister of concerned department or the Union of India. The correct answer is option D, the Union of India. In a suit against the central government, the defendant shall be named as the Union of India. Now is the time for practice question. Under section 499 of the Indian Penal Code, how many exceptions are provided for the offense of defamation? 5, 8, 9 or 10? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
डियर व्यूअर्स, अपने एग्जाम की तैयारी को और बेहतर करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें।